In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove clock from Brave browser homepage. If you use Brave, you've probably noticed the large clock that appears on the Home or New Tab page. It's handy for some people, but if you prefer a cleaner look or want to reduce on-screen distractions, you can turn it off in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it clearly and explain what to expect along the way. First, open your Brave browser. The clock we're talking about shows on Brave's home screen, the page you see when Brave starts or when you open a new tab. That's the only place this clock appears, so make sure you're looking at that page. Now, look to the top right corner of the home page for a small gear icon. This is the customization button for the Brave homepage. When you click it, a panel or settings page will open that controls what you see on the home screen. If you don't see the gear, double-check that you're on Brave's homepage rather than a regular website, because the gear only appears on the new tab page layout. Inside the customization area, find the option labeled Clock. Depending on your version, it might be listed among other homepage elements like background images or widgets. Click on Clock to open its settings. You should see a simple toggle switch that controls whether the clock is shown. Go ahead and click the toggle to turn it off. As soon as you flip the switch, the change takes effect right away, and the clock disappears from the home page. There's no need to restart the browser or refresh the page. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place and turn the toggle back on to restore the clock instantly. A couple of helpful notes as you finish up. This change affects only the appearance of the Brave home page and won't impact your bookmarks, shields, or browsing performance. The backgrounds, shortcuts, and other cards will remain as they are. Also, the clock setting is typically saved per profile and per device, so if you use Brave on multiple computers, you may want to repeat this adjustment on each one if consistency matters to you. That's all there is to it. By opening Brave, clicking the gear icon, selecting Clock, and switching the toggle off, you've removed the clock and tidied up your home page. Enjoy the cleaner look, and thanks for watching.